In this video we're looking at the topic of rounding decimals, and the first question is round the decimals to the place value indicated, and the place value for the first one is hundredths, so we will underline the number in the hundredth spot. We will circle the number in the place value to the right. We'll look closely at that. We have a 5, so that means we round up, so our answer is 4.22. In the next question, we need to round our decimal to the nearest thousandth. We have an 8 in the thousandths place value. We have a 2 to the right of it. With a 2, we won't be rounding up. We'll keep it the same, so it will be 0.078 or 78 thousandths. With the next question, 3.4 recurring to the nearest hundredth, it would be helpful to write this out as an expanded decimal, which is 4.4444 recurring, as long as that's enough to get us our answer that we're after. To the nearest hundredth, we have a 4 in the hundredth. Obviously, we have a 4 to the right. It will stay the same, it won't round up, so it's approximately 3.44. Question 2. Round the following decimals to the number of decimal places indicated. So in the first question we round to one decimal place, so we underline that. We circle the next place value to the right. That's a 9, which is greater than 5, so we'll be rounding up on this occasion to 18.7. In the second part, we need to work to 2 decimal places. There's a 7 in the second decimal place. We have a 5 to the right of it. That means we need to round up, so it will become 0.48 when it's rounded up. And in C, we need to work to 3 decimal places. We have a 2 in the third decimal place. We've got a 1 to the right, so that means we won't be rounding up. We'll be keeping it the same at 4.702. And our third question, round the following amounts to the nearest cent. The first question, we have 47.52 cents. So to the nearest cent, this is the cent amount. This is a fraction of a cent. We have a 5, so we'll be rounding up to 48 cents. We have a little typing mistake. $17.65 and a fraction cents in the next question. To the nearest cent, the 5 there is in the last cent place value. We have a 5 in the next place value, so we'll be rounding up. So our answer is $17.66.